Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and fuel efficient. Features also include traction control, rear view camera, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2016 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.